Hi guys. Oh, firstly, I want to thank those of you that made it to my live stream on the weekend. It was a lot of fun, and thanks for hanging around so long. I know it was a long video, and but the time just flies. Honestly, when I finished that video and it said 2 hours, I couldn't believe that 2 hours had passed. Anyway, it was lovely, lovely to catch up with you all, and I really enjoy that interaction where other subbies can chat to each other as well and ask questions. I may have missed a few questions or a few comments because it's kind of hard to work and watch the chat screen as well on my laptop as I go. But I will go back and watch it and read everyone's comments, and I'll answer anything that anyone might have asked. Plus, I just kind of want to see what I missed, if you know what I mean. Anyway, these are the little tags that I was making. They were, if you didn't see that video, I'll just put the link down below. It's quite a long video, but actually I'll put the link to a playlist that has some collage stuff in there because it's kind of a similar process. I was just collaging scraps out of what I call my scrap box. And this time I made some little swing tags, and these are 3 centimeters by 9.5 centimeters. And because I've made so many, I'm going to pop some into my Etsy shop, and I don't know how many I'll put in a pack. They're only small. Maybe I'll make multiple quantity packs available, like 10, or you can pick 10 or 20 or whatever. I'll see. Anyway, I'll just show you. So they're cardboard, food packaging cardboard, and little baby bits collaged. They've got the edges inked and just some cream cotton string. So I'm just going to go through a few so you can kind of see that they're all very different. They're kind of the same but different. Like, I love looking at the little bits and trying to figure out what those papers were in their former life. So the packs that I put in, they'll just be, you'll just get a random selection. But if you have a preference for like colourful ones, or a preference for just muted colours, like some have a bit of colour in them and some don't, you can just put that in the comments at checkout and I'll pick out. See, this one doesn't have any colour, so if you prefer one with no pink, or you prefer ones with pink, for example, just stick that in the comments and I'll do my best to try and pick out that style for you. Otherwise you'll just get a mixed lot. I just love them. Collaging with absolute scraps is my most favourite thing to do, behind sewing scraps of fabric and papers. So sewing scraps of fabric and paper is my favourite thing to do. Then collaging scraps is a very close second. I just love the look and feel of all little bits of junk glued down. See, this one is a bit of a postage label and a customs declaration that came off one of my parcels. Some of the kids, grandkids colouring in pages. Math pages. That bit I think was a magazine or a brochure. Some written notes. Painty papers, shopping labels. Some stamped stuff. Some drop papers. Handwriting. I know you don't want to see them all, but I just think they're so cute. See, this came off a something think my husband must have ordered it because it's from Canada, and I haven't got a parcel from Canada, I don't think. That's some matte paper. This guy needs a bit of something on him. I'll chuck him aside. Postage labels. I think there's some postage stamps in there. Washi tape. Oh, this is some little scrap strips of paper. You know, when you trim things. I just I just do a zigzag stitch up the center, and I use that mostly to repair torn coffee dyed papers. You just ink the edges of, you know, cut a little piece off, ink the edges and glue it over the little tear. It's kind of like a little band-aid. See, this one's a little zebra. His head was here somewhere. It's been lost in the pile. Okay, so that's them. If you like that junky look like me, I'll pop some into my Etsy shop, and if you want some different sizes, let me know, because I love making them, and I would be happy to make some bigger ones if you want, and put them in my Etsy shop as well. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.